Hi friends, today's topic is how to calculate Z score in Excel. In Excel, how we can calculate the Z score? The formula of Z score is what is the score value minus the mean of the different scores divided by the standard deviation. So that is the formula score minus mean divided by the standard deviation. So using Excel, how we can calculate Z score? Let us see it. Here is our data. This is the age group. The age of different persons are mentioned here. So first we have to find out the what is the mean of this age group. That is average. That is uh, that is the average. So we can find out the mean now. This is the mean. We find the mean now. Then we have to calculate the standard deviation. So we calculate the standard deviation now. After calculating the standard deviation, let us calculate the Z score. Z score equal to that is the value is will be to minus mean, that is the value minus mean divided by standard deviation. That is the, so we found the Z score equal to minus 1.106. So let us will calculate for the other also. So here the value of standard deviation and the value of mean will be same. That's why we have to put dollar here, dollar B15 and dollar B16. These two value will be remain always same. So if you drag that one here, B3 change to B3 minus B15, that is the mean, divided by B16, that is the standard deviation. So this is the formula through which we can calculate the Z score of this age group. So it is very simple. So taking an example, as per your requirement, you can calculate the Z score. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.